Welcome back. Now, it's a sigh of relief for late actor Sushant Singh Rajput's sister Meetu Singh in the alleged forged SSR or Sushant Singh Rajput prescription case. Bombay High Court has quashed the FIR filed by late actor Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend Rhea Chakravarti against Meetu. However, the High Court has not quashed the FIR against his sister, the second sister Priyanka, as it felt that prima facie case is being made out against her. On the 7th of September last year, Rhea had registered an FIR against the sisters of Sushant Singh Rajput at Bandra police station, accusing both of them of forgery and giving illegal medication to Sushant, which were never prescribed. She had claimed that the sisters gave the actor some medicines of unsupervised quantity, which may have resulted into a chronic anxiety attack and his suicide eventually. The sisters had then filed a petition in court to quash the FIR registered against them.
So the arguments was done by our Supreme Court. The High Court heard the entire case at length and had kept the matter for orders today. We were hopeful that in view of the Supreme Court's order, the High Court would pass order in favor of the sisters. However, the High Court has passed a partial order in favor of Meetu Singh quashing the FIR, and it further went ahead and declared that the FIR against Priyanka Singh survives. It has also directed the investigation agency to proceed with the investigation if they so desire to file a charge sheet in due course of time. There is a quite good case for Priyanka Singh too for getting the FIR quashed, and that would be an optimum object of approaching the Supreme Court.
My colleague Divyesh Singh is getting us more details on that story. He joins us from Mumbai. Divyesh, just take us to the details of why the court today has given relief to one sister but not to the other.
This petition for quashing of FIR was filed by Priyanka Singh and Meetu Singh, late actor Sushant Singh Rajput's sisters. India Today had brought to light that there was a WhatsApp communication between Priyanka Singh and Sushant Singh Rajput days before his death, where Priyanka Singh advised him for certain medication. She also, when advised for certain medication, Sushant had raised doubts that this medication would not be available over the counter, after which she arranged for a prescription, and in her complaint, Rhea Chakravarti had clearly stated that this prescription was forged, and with help of some doctors, she had forged this prescription and advised some medicines to the late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. These were antidepressant medicines meant for chronic depression that the late actor had been suffering from, while he had not seen the doctor directly, he had not spoken to the doctor directly, and despite that, this prescription was sent to him. These medicines were advised to him by his sister Priyanka, and all these observations were made to the Bombay High Court, and on basis of that, the High Court has quashed the case against Meetu Singh, who is the younger sister, while the case against Priyanka Singh stands. And these are the observations that the Bombay High Court had considered. This communication, the prescription that had been provided by Priyanka Singh, the medication that were advised by her through the prescription sent to him through WhatsApp. Remember, this communication was brought to light by India Today in the month of September, after which Rhea Chakravarti had filed this case at the Bandra police station, and as per the Supreme Court order, this FIR was later transferred to the CBI for further investigation. Now, the case against Meetu Singh has been quashed, but the court has also said that this judgment has not to be considered as impediment while a probe report can be submitted by the investigating officer.
Divyesh, thanks for getting us up to speed with that.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.